A Pareto chart is a simple visual tool that helps you identify the most important factors in a data set. It is based on the Pareto principle, which suggests that 80% of results often come from just 20% of the causes. In finance, this could mean that 80% of your investment growth might be driven by just a few key assets. To build one, you list your categories by size, then graph the cumulative percentage to see which items have the biggest impact. While a standard bar chart shows you what exists, a Pareto chart tells you what matters most by ranking the data. Here, rent and food dominate your monthly budget, showing you exactly where small changes create the biggest financial impact. Use this tool to stop sweating the small stuff and start focusing on the financial habits that actually move the needle. Thanks for watching. Understanding data helps you make better decisions. Subscribe for more financial literacy tips.